Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Explainable AI. XAI. Peeking inside the black box. Why does AI decide that? You've heard about AI making decisions, recommending movies, approving loans, or identifying objects. But have you ever wondered how it made that decision? Or, more importantly, why? This lesson is all about Explainable AI. XAI. Our way of peeking inside the AI's brain to understand its reasoning. For developers, building systems means not just getting answers, but understanding them. Imagine you give a sophisticated machine a bunch of ingredients, data, and it spits out a perfect cake. An AI decision. You know the input and the output, but the entire baking process inside is a mystery, a black box. Many powerful AI models, especially deep learning ones, work this way. They give us accurate answers, but the steps and reasons for those answers are hidden. For a developer, this mystery can be a real challenge when you need to fix or improve your AI. As a developer, getting an answer from an AI is just the start. What if the AI gives a wrong answer? How do you debug it if you don't know why it failed? XAI is crucial for 1. Debugging, pinpointing errors to fix your AI. 2. Trust, building user confidence when they understand the AI's rationale. 3. Compliance, meeting legal or ethical requirements, especially in sensitive areas like finance or healthcare. 4. Improvement, understanding weaknesses to make your AI better and more robust. Simply put, Explainable AI, XAI, is a set of tools and techniques designed to help humans understand the decisions made by AI models. Think of it as a flashlight you shine into that black box. Instead of just accepting a decision, XAI allows you to ask, what inputs or factors were most important for this specific decision? Or, what are the general rules this AI uses to make decisions? It turns complex AI systems into something more transparent and actionable for you, the developer. XAI often gives us two main types of insights. 1. Local explanations. This specific decision. Why did this particular image get classified as a cat? This focuses on explaining a single prediction. For a developer, this is like having a mechanic tell you why your specific car isn't starting today. E.g., your spark plugs are faulty. It's great for debugging individual issues. 2. Global explanations. Overall behavior. What factors generally make the AI classify an image as a cat? This helps you understand the model's overall behavior. This is like understanding generally what makes a car fuel efficient, e.g., lighter cars with smaller engines. It helps you understand the broader strengths and weaknesses of your AI. Integrating XAI tools into your development workflow gives you powerful advantages. Build trusting applications. Users are more likely to adopt and trust AI systems they can understand. If a loan is denied, knowing why, e.g., insufficient credit history, is much better than a mysterious no. Faster debugging and iteration. When your AI makes a mistake, XAI helps you quickly identify the root cause, allowing you to fix and improve your models much faster. Ensure fairness and detect bias. XAI can reveal if your AI is making decisions based on unintended or unfair factors, like gender or race, helping you build more ethical systems. Meet regulatory standards. In regulated industries, like banking or healthcare, XAI isn't just a nice to have. It's often a legal requirement to explain AI decisions. Imagine you've built an AI to flag potentially fraudulent transactions. A transaction worth $10,000 gets flagged. Without say, you just know it's flagged. Is it a bug? Is it truly fraud? You're guessing. With XAI, an XAI tool shows you. This transaction was flagged because it's a large sum from a new IP address made at 3 a.m. and the shipping address is in a different country than the billing address. Now, as a developer, you have actionable insights. You can fine-tune your model to weigh certain factors differently, or even provide this explanation to the customer support team. XAI empowers you to build AI applications that are not just smart, but also transparent, reliable, and user-friendly. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.